Hi guys, it's me Tech Jake, and today we're taking a look at something that's a little different from what we usually dive into on this channel. Instead of a phone, a laptop, or a pair of headphones, we're checking out a full-on kitchen upgrade, the Cosmo 3-piece kitchen appliance package. And yeah, this is an actual complete setup for your kitchen that includes a 30-inch microwave drawer with no handle, a 30-inch under-cabinet range hood, and a 30-inch electric range. If you've ever thought about making your kitchen more modern, more minimal, and just overall more functional, this set is built for that. And if you're interested in picking one up, I'll have the link down below in the description. So, let's talk about why this setup stands out. When you look at kitchen appliances, the usual options are bulky, dated, and sometimes even mismatched because people buy them one at a time. What Cosmo has done here is create a package that's not only cohesive in design, but also gives you a pretty seamless upgrade if you're building a new kitchen or remodeling one. The clean stainless steel aesthetic ties everything together, and because it's a package, you know all three pieces will actually look like they belong in the same space. Starting with the 30-inch microwave drawer, this is a pretty slick design choice. Instead of having a microwave that takes up counter space or one of those old-school over-the-range units, this one is built into a drawer system. You literally slide it out, drop in your food, and slide it back in. It's handleless, so it keeps the design super minimal, which I love. No bulky handles sticking out, no weird buttons ruining the symmetry. And it opens smoothly with just a touch. It's kind of the hidden tech vibe for kitchens, there when you need it, out of sight when you don't. Then there's the 30-inch under-cabinet range hood. This one's all about keeping your cooking environment clean and smoke-free. You don't really notice how important ventilation is until you cook a lot, frying, searing, boiling, you name it. This hood pulls all that smoke, grease, and odor up and out so your kitchen stays fresher. Cosmo's hood has multiple fan speeds, bright LED lighting so you can actually see what you're cooking, and again, the stainless steel build so it matches everything else in the package. It's basically doing its job without drawing attention, which is exactly what you want from a range hood. The last piece is the 30-inch electric range, and honestly this is where most of the action happens. If you cook daily, your stove and oven are your workhorses. This range gives you multiple burners on top for everything from boiling pasta to simmering sauces, and the oven itself is designed to handle baking, roasting, and even broiling. Cosmo has included modern controls, easy-to-read displays, and a smooth top cooking surface that not only works well but also looks clean when it's not in use. It ties the whole package together and gives you that high-end feel without jumping into the crazy price range that some luxury brands ask for. Now, if you're thinking about why someone would go for a full package instead of buying pieces individually, it really comes down to consistency and ease. Matching finishes, matching sizes, and a setup that's designed to work together, it just makes life simpler. And on top of that, packages like this usually give you better value for the money compared to picking everything separately. Let's talk usability for a second. One of the things I appreciate about this set is how it balances design with actual day-to-day use. A lot of modern appliances try to go overly futuristic, too many touch controls, gimmicky features, Wi-Fi connectivity that barely works. Cosmo keeps it functional. The microwave drawer feels intuitive, the range hood is straightforward with fan and light controls, and the range itself is exactly what most people need without unnecessary fluff. It's kind of the do the basics really well philosophy, which is something I can respect. In terms of build, everything here feels solid. Stainless steel isn't just a design choice, it's durable, easy to clean, and it holds up over time. If you're cooking daily, you'll appreciate not having to constantly worry about stains or finishes that wear off after a few months. And when all three appliances have the same finish, the whole kitchen just looks more professional. Of course, there are a few things to keep in mind. This package is designed for a modern kitchen setup. That means if you're just